awesome! Step 1. Draw a conical shape. Step 2. Draw some curved rectangles on top. These are going to be the carrot tops. Step 3. Add some extra greens in the back. Step 4. Draw a big mouth. Add some teeth. And then when you have the lower teeth and the upper teeth, you can make a nice looking tongue in the middle. Step 5. Draw the eyes. Step 6. Ink the lines. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ta-da! All done! You did it! You made a crazy looking carrot friend. If you want to see more tutorials, follow my channel. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye!